Welcome back, beautiful ladies. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. Baking soda isn't just an essential ingredient in the kitchen. It's a versatile powerhouse that can revolutionize your life in so many ways. In this video, we'll uncover 11 secret baking soda tricks that will change your life for the better. Are you ready to discover these incredible hacks? Let's dive right in. Baking soda beauty hacks. Let's start with some amazing baking soda beauty hacks that will transform your skincare routine and leave you with radiant, glowing skin. Baking soda facial scrub. Did you know that baking soda makes an excellent facial scrub? It's a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal a smoother complexion. To create your scrub, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Gently massage it onto your damp face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will thank you for this natural and effective exfoliation. Natural teeth whitener. Say goodbye to expensive teeth whitening treatments. Baking soda is a natural teeth whitener that can help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. Simply dip your toothbrush into some baking soda and gently brush your teeth. However, use this method only once or twice a week to avoid damaging your tooth enamel. Household cleaning tips. Now, let's explore the power of baking soda in household cleaning. You'll be amazed at how this simple ingredient can replace many chemical-laden cleaning products. Stove and oven cleaner. Grease and grime on your stove and oven can be stubborn to remove, but fear not, baking soda to the rescue. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with a little water, then apply it to those tough grease spots. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic, and then wipe it away with a damp cloth. You'll be left with a spotless, sparkling kitchen. Carpet and upholstery deodorizer. Pets, kids, and everyday life can leave your carpets and upholstery with unpleasant odors. Baking soda is a fantastic, natural deodorizer. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over your carpets and upholstery, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then, simply vacuum it up, and you'll be amazed at how it absorbs and eliminates odors, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. Laundry time savers. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with these baking soda tricks. Laundry booster. Baking soda is a game changer in the laundry room. Add about half a cup of baking soda to your regular laundry detergent before starting the wash cycle. The baking soda will boost your detergent's cleaning power, help remove tough stains, and leave your clothes smelling fresher. Odor removal. Say goodbye to persistent odors in your clothes, such as sweat or mildew. Adding baking soda to your laundry load will neutralize these odors effectively, leaving your garments smelling clean and fresh. Baking soda for self-care. Now, let's focus on some self-care hacks using baking soda. Relaxing baking soda bath. After a long day, nothing beats a relaxing bath. Add about half a cup of baking soda to your warm bath water and mix it well. The baking soda will help soothe your skin, balance pH levels, and ease irritation or itching. It's a perfect way to unwind and pamper yourself. Foot soak. Our feet deserve some care too. Create a foot soak by filling a basin with warm water and adding a few tablespoons of baking soda. For an extra touch of luxury, include a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Soak your feet for 15-20 minutes to soften calluses and get rid of any foot odor. Baking soda in the kitchen. Of course, we can't forget the kitchen. Baking soda is a real game changer for cooking and food storage. Freshen up the fridge. Is your refrigerator harboring unpleasant smells? Place an open box of baking soda on one of the shelves to absorb odors. Baking soda is fantastic at neutralizing smells, and you'll notice the difference in no time. Tenderize meat. Before cooking, try using baking soda to tenderize meat. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on the meat and rub it gently. The baking soda will break down the proteins, making the meat more tender and flavorful. Baking soda for personal care. Let's wrap up with some personal care tips using baking soda. Natural deodorant. Looking for a natural alternative to commercial deodorants? Baking soda is an excellent option. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with a few drops of water, then apply it as a deodorant. This will help neutralize odor-causing bacteria, keeping you feeling fresh all day long. Conclusion. And there you have it, 11 secret baking soda tricks that will undoubtedly change your life for the better. From beauty hacks and household cleaning to laundry time savers, self-care and kitchen tips, baking soda is truly a magical and budget-friendly ingredient. Remember to hit that like button if you found these baking soda tricks helpful. And if you have any more baking soda tips to share, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing life-changing content. Until next time, stay fabulous and empowered. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy baking soda experimenting.